And number 10, track status of. So track is this organization, I think it's in like Penn or Penn State or something like that. That does a lot of statistical analysis of immigration, particularly on the court side of what they're doing. And they say 1 out of every 6 new cases DHS initiates in immigration courts are now being dismissed because CBP officials are not filing the actual notice to appear NTA with the court. The federal government is facing a flurry of lawsuits for failing to take action on a variety of immigration-related applications. So this is another thing. So one is 1 out of 6 cases are being dismissed is crazy. But then in May 2022, the federal civil court recorded 647 immigration-related lawsuits for writs of mandamus, a type of lawsuit that seeks to compel the government to take a lawful action, and other immigration actions, the vast majority of which were linked to procedural delays or decisions by the Department of Homeland Security. This is the highest number of such cases in a single month since at least October 2007, the earliest date for which track has data. At this rate, the course will see 6,276 cases by the end of the fiscal year in September, up from 4,347 in 2021, which is so true. I've been putting out for 5-6 years on doing these writ of mandamus cases with my firm. Just because it was branching out of my sub focus was on, but we brought aboard an associate that's going to help with that, and we're going to be following these lawsuits because we have so many people come to us at this point. I'm like, might as well do it. So you could expect that number to be going up a lot, even more and more with the delays we're having. It's out of control. Like we have one case where they had admin processing for 9 months. They get the email that says, okay, administrative processing is over. Bring your passport, new medical. They submit it. And this is a case where a person has to leave their home country because there's no embassy in the home country. So they're essentially had to go pay for a hotel in life, expecting it back. It's 3.5 weeks now. They still haven't returned it. I emailed the embassy multiple times. After 2 weeks, they finally respond and say, sorry for the inconvenience. As they apologize for the inconvenience. Our consular officers are working on it. It's like 3.5 weeks to issue a visa stamp after you did the admin approval. Like what's going on here is people have to pay for a hotel and lunch in a foreign country and using foreign currency. They're losing money. This is out of control. It's really unfair. You can't just do it, So it's very frustrating, and you don't know what to tell people in the situation. It's like, this is the welcome to the government. We're here to help you, if you will. So very frustrating stuff, the delays, but that's what these lawsuits are for. This couple didn't have the money. They should have followed the 9 months admin processing. I told them 6 month marks to file a lawsuit, but it costs a lot of money to file a lawsuit, and everyone could do that. It's essentially become an additional filing fee for wealthier people to get priority preference and visa processing by doing these kind of lawsuits. So it's a wild situation, but welcome to immigration law.